If you have a big cine rig or heavy setup and you want to achieve fluid camera movements, then this big boy is for you. So here we have the brand new Ulanzi VideoFast heavy duty tripod. Hi there, how's it going? This is Nico. I'm a filmmaker from Argentina based in Spain. So as I said in the intro, today we're gonna talk about this brand new tripod from Ulanzi. I don't need to go to the gym anymore, this is nice. So this tripod not only offers you a good amount of payload capacity, but pro features that you might need to consider when you're looking for a solid video tripod. So we're talking about pro stability and dynamic balance, quick setup when it comes to adjust the height of the tripod itself, 3 versatile and quick release functionality. So this heavy duty tripod, it is relatively compact and easy to carry around since it comes with a lifting handle, which makes it also easier if you want to attach more useful accessories thanks to its NATO rail integrated in this compact handle. The fact that this little handle here, it comes with this integrated NATO rail, it is so convenient, or at least for me. I love NATO rails, that's why I'm considering that this is very interesting. This tripod, it also comes with this fast lock technology that allows you to quick and easy adjust the height of the tripod. It can reach up to 164 centimeters, which is not even bad. I would say that's basically an average, more or less. This tripod also includes this crazy, sturdy video head. I love this thing. This is pretty much an hydraulic fluid head. This one features dynamic balance and multi-stage damping for smooth movement. So I tested out with the Sony 200-600mm and oh boy, the results were incredible smooth, even at 600mm. I will leave you with some clips right here. Keep in mind also that this video head comes with counterbalance, so even if you put like heavy setups, you will pretty much get very smooth results as long as you balance properly that setup. The load capacity of the head itself, it's up to 10 kilograms, which is pretty decent. This 75 detachable ball, with a level included of course, it is extremely solid. It features a universal quick release plate compatible with Manfrotto. I'm actually very impressed with this video head especially because the results that you can get are very smooth, which is something that you really want to pursue when it comes to buy a brand new video head tripod especially. The legs are carbon fiber and they seem very solid too. It is 3 sections and the entire combo has a net weight of 4.8 kilograms. Of course, it's not the lighter video tripod out there, but very capable for heavy setup with tons of pro tools at a reduced cost. So that's something that you should definitely keep in mind too. So now let's talk about things that I really love from this tripod. So first of all, the video head. It is very sturdy, so I really like that. Second thing, we have it right here. Well, you might gonna see a B-roll sort of thing. We are talking about this side grip to carry the tripod around with a NATO rail integrated too. Then down here, we have this lifting ring located at the mid-level spreader to collapse the tripod in a couple of seconds, or matter of seconds, let's say. By other hand, we do have like a high payload up to 25 kilograms, that's quite a lot. And the last one, but not least, is that you are able to use in a low angle. This is something very convenient because again, I have tried different kind of similar tripods, and the issue that I always find with this kind, you definitely can use it in a very low angle, at least if you own a satchel, probably yeah, but if you don't and you compare the price range with other tripods, probably you can like use it in a very low angle. So that's something to keep in mind. That's something very positive about this option. So overall, I think it is a very solid option if you are looking to get your hands into a heavy duty tripod. I don't think you're gonna be able to find like better different options considering this price point, and of course what it offers too. So there you have it. So now it is time for you to decide whether if this tripod is for you or not, or maybe it's your next Ulanzi purchase. Anyways, I really hope you liked this video. If that's the case, give a nice thumbs up right there. I think that's pretty much it. I hope to see you next time. Cheers!